остаться. What the difference between these? Ты должен оставаться сильным и мудрым. Because it's Russian language. Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Dima, I'm native Russian speaker, and on my channel I try to help you to improve your Russian language. One of my subscribers asked me about interesting Russian verbs like остаться, оставить, остановить, and ходить. In this video I will explain to you what the difference between these Russian verbs, but exactly in this video I will explain to you only one verbs, остаться, because if I would be explain to you all these Russian verbs, it will be a long video. Therefore, step by step I will create a new video about this, all these Russian verbs. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to know about these verbs. So, if you're ready, we will talk about Russian verb остаться. First of all, you should know how we pronounce this word. You see that first letter in this word O, but we pronounce this word like остаться, not остаться. It isn't correctly. We pronounce like остаться. The same time, you see combination of the letters in this word. You see the combination of letters in your screen right now. And we pronounce this combination like ца, остаться, остаться. This verb translates into English like stay. But at the same time, this word can look differently. This verb can looks like оставаться, остаться and оставаться. Right now you can tell me what the difference between these two verbs. Оставаться translate into English also like stay and remained. When I tried to find information about the difference between these two words like остаться and оставаться, I didn't find any information about this difference because there isn't the difference between these two words. We don't have any difference between these two words. Of course, I found out a little information about these two words. I mean the difference between these two words, and I found out that Russian verb остаться, this is a completed action. Оставаться, this isn't completed and ongoing action. Yes, probably it's true, but really, don't try to understand the difference between these words because there isn't difference between these two words. Of course, there is difference between these two words, but this difference is so small, it's so tiny. Really, don't try to understand it because you will confuse. Of course, some big Russian teachers can tell you that we have the difference between these two words because this verb means that blah blah blah, and this verb means that blah blah blah. Yes, of course, probably those teachers are right because all people can have own opinions about any issues, any topics, and so on. But I'm ordinary person, I native Russian speaker, and on my channel I try to help you to improve your skills from not from Russian books, not from internet, and so on. I try to help you like I feel, like I speak Russian every day. Of course, I analyzed it myself. I mean the difference between these two words. I think that Russian verb остаться we use if we talk about person or place. For example, this kind of English sentence like you have to stay with me. We translate into Russian like ты должен остаться со мной. Ты должен остаться со мной. We talk about person, me, I'm person. Therefore, we use Russian verb остаться. You have to stay with me. Ты должен остаться со мной. Another example. She should stay at home. Она должна остаться дома. Она должна остаться дома. We talk about place, about home. Home is place. Therefore, we use остаться, остаться. Another example. You should stay at home. Ты должен остаться дома. He should stay at home. Он должен остаться дома. I don't know. They should stay a car. Они должны остаться в машине. We talk about car. Car is place. Therefore, we use остаться, остаться. Or I want to stay with you. Я хочу остаться с тобой. Я хочу остаться с тобой. We talk about person. You are person. Therefore, I use остаться. Stay with you. Остаться с тобой. But can we use Russian verb оставаться in these sentences, in these situations? Of course, yes. But exactly in these situations, we use Russian verb оставаться if we talk about time. What I mean? This kind of English sentence like you should stay at home until I return. We translate into Russian like ты должен оставаться дома, пока я не вернусь. Ты должен оставаться дома, пока я не вернусь. We talk about time because when I will return, till this moment, you should stay at home. Understand? We talk about time. Or another example. You must stay at school until the bell rings. When we talk about the school, yes? In this situation, we also talk about time. When the bell rings, until this moment, you should stay at school. Stay at school, оставаться в школе. Understand? Also, Russian verb оставаться we use when we talk about our feelings, about our mind, about... I don't know how to explain to you this moment, but I'll explain to you with the examples. For example, there's very interesting and important sentence in Russian language, and I'm sure that you also know about this sentence. This sentence sounds like this. In any situation, you have to remain human. This sentence translates into Russian like в каждой ситуации ты должен оставаться человеком. В каждой ситуации ты должен оставаться человеком. Or another example. You have to stay strong and wise. We translate into Russian this sentence like ты должен оставаться сильным и мудрым. Ты должен оставаться сильным и мудрым. We don't talk about a person or place when I told you in the last time, yes, in the last examples. Оставаться we use if we talk about our feelings. Or another example, for example, how you can congratulate your friends on their birthday. For example, when we wish your friends something, you can say this kind of English sentence like I wish you to remain the same good person. This sentence we translate into Russian like я желаю тебе оставаться таким же хорошим человеком. Я желаю тебе оставаться таким же хорошим человеком. We talk about our feelings. I wish you will remain the same good person. Оставаться человеком. To remain a good person. Оставаться человеком. I know that it's probably difficult to understand it because I also don't have enough English language to explain to you these rather difficult moments in this sentence, but I hope that you understand me what I wanted to tell you. But please remember one fact, that Russian verb остаться and оставаться don't have a big difference between them. You can use Russian verb остаться. You can use Russian verb оставаться in different situations. But the meaning of these two words are the same. Understand? The same. Because if you will use оставаться or остаться, native Russian speaker will understand you anyway. Of course, these two words like остаться and оставаться can look differently because it's Russian language. These two words can look differently and it depends on the time, past time, present time, future time, and it depends on if you use a Russian word like я, ты, он, она, они, мы, and so on. And now I will share with you some helpful and important phrases, sentences, Russian sentences, and these sentences you can use in your Russian speech. Ты должен остаться с ней. Ты должен остаться с ней. Ты должен остаться с ней. Могу я остаться с тобой? Могу я остаться с тобой? Могу я остаться с тобой? Она хочет остаться с ними. Она хочет остаться с ними. Оставайся дома, пока не придет твоя мама. Оставайся дома, пока не придет твоя мама. Оставайся дома, пока не придет твоя мама. Он должен остаться со мной, потому что... and бла-бла-бла. Он должен остаться со мной, потому что... Он должен остаться со мной, потому что... and бла-бла-бла. Я хочу остаться здесь. Я хочу остаться здесь. Я хочу остаться здесь. Ты можешь остаться со мной? Ты можешь остаться со мной? Ты можешь остаться со мной? Она останется со мной. Она останется со мной. Она останется со мной. Оставайся хорошим человеком, что бы ни произошло. Оставайся хорошим человеком, что бы ни произошло. Они должны остаться здесь. Они должны остаться здесь. Они должны остаться здесь. Ты останешься со мной, пока не придут мои родители? Ты останешься со мной, пока не придут мои родители? Ты останешься со мной, пока не придут мои родители? Ты хочешь остаться здесь? Ты хочешь остаться здесь? Ты хочешь остаться здесь? Оставайся тут, я за тобой приеду позже. Оставайся тут, я за тобой приеду позже. Оставайся тут, я за тобой приеду позже. Ты хочешь остаться в машине? Ты хочешь остаться в машине? Ты хочешь остаться в машине? Я останусь дома, пока не кончится дождь. Я останусь дома, пока не кончится дождь. Я останусь дома, пока не окончится дождь. So I hope that I answered this question from one of my subscribers who asked me about these Russian verbs, and I hope that I help you to improve your skills in Russian language. If you like this video, if I deserved, please subscribe to my channel, put like, and bye bye.